In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a private Telegram channel step by step. This is a super useful feature if you want to share updates, announcements, files, or exclusive content with only the people you choose. A private channel is great for communities, businesses, study groups, or even personal use when you want full control over who can join. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Let's get into it. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Once you're inside Telegram, look for the hamburger icon, which is usually the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap on that menu to open your Telegram options. From the menu, click on Create New Channel. This will start the channel setup process. Telegram will now ask you to enter a channel name. Type in the name you want for your channel. Try to choose a name that clearly matches the purpose of the channel, because this is what people will see first. After entering the channel name, Telegram will move you to the privacy settings. Here, select Private Channel. Choosing private means only people you invite can join, and your channel will not be publicly searchable. This is the best option if you want more control and privacy. Once you've selected Private Channel, click Save to confirm your settings. Telegram will now create the channel for you. Next, Telegram will give you the option to invite members. If you already know who you want in the channel, you can add them now by selecting Contacts or sharing the invite link. If you do not want to add people right away, you can simply click Skip and come back to invite members later. That's completely fine. And that's it. Your private Telegram channel is now created. You can start posting messages, sharing updates, and managing your members right away. Remember, private channels are perfect when you want a more controlled and secure space for communication. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.